prepared to break the silence. I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up.
Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. In today's video, we shall consider how to trade Forex 247 from Monday to Sunday forever. If you have been trading the Forex market or the stock market, you notice that there is this gap on the weekends. That on the weekends you cannot trade the Forex market or stock market. The weekend here being the Saturday and the Sunday. Now this gap has a lot of setbacks on the trader side because there is this carryover whereby you are charged some fee called swap fee, and apart from that, when the market opens on the Monday, it creates certain nuisance like high volatility in the market or gapping can create a lot of losses or triggering of stop loss levels, and this makes a lot of trader give up, especially when they want to go long term. Somebody want to hold his trade for months or for a year or for years, and these gaps keep affecting some stop loss levels, so because one thing is to enter a trade and the other thing is to keep running on the trade. When gapping or high volatility trigger your stop loss, then the market can't go in your favor. You will not be happy for that. So I have brought a solution to this, and what it is what I'm going to show you here in the MT5. So let's go there. Okay, you see, these are the Forex assets. Today is Friday. By 10 p.m. to 12 p.m. this market will close. All the prices will stop changing, so you can't trade because there is no variation in price. You can actually trade when price is changing, when there is differentials in price, when price is experiencing time variation. So you see, on Saturdays, Sundays, this market will close. All this Forex assets will close. And I have told you that they create, in a sense, in the trader side, they create more negative statistical edge, more losses on the trader side. So if you want to solve this problem, I have a solution. Check down the description of this video. You will see a link to Deriv.com. Don't Google it. Use the official affiliate link. Join, register with Deriv.com. They have Forex asset, like this type of asset, the same way, the same price action, the same way, the same behavior, the same price action, the same structure. It follow. They have their own specialized Forex asset that you can trade 247. Even if you have been trading with other brokers that have this issue of gap and dead zones on Saturday and Sunday, you have to register with Deriv.com. The link is in the description of this video. When you register, start making money 247. All you need to do is to be very, very skillful, or you join our VIP signals for the best result. Okay, so let me show you how this works. Now see, we are talking about Forex. Apart from synthetic indices, which are the specialized assets of Deriv.com, they have Forex asset that you can trade. The same Forex you trade in other brokers, but this time in those brokers, they didn't give you opportunity to trade it on Saturday and Sunday. So that is the essence of Deriv. Deriv come up with the solution. I get it. You see this Euro basket, GBP basket, AUD basket, USD basket. Now, Eurobasket actually have the same property as Euro USD. I'm telling you the truth. Forget everything. Eurobasket have the same property as Euro USD. If you check, if Euro USD is selling, Eurobasket is also selling. Let's check something. What's happened in this? You notice that yesterday it sold. Go check Euro USD. It also sold yesterday, and Euro USD is buying. It's bullish today, and this one is also buying. Are you getting me? See the trend line. So I'll keep on explaining this until it enter your mind. Now check Euro USD. Today is buying. It experiences a base here where it become confused, start ranging and making a decision. Finally, this candle become change of character. CH. There was a base here, change of character. Then another base is being created here. We might see another break of structure. That is no longer change of character. At least these are giving us a signal that this market has experienced change of character near a base, which means here maybe in the past this is a demand zone. Like if you trace it back, if we go back like this, if you stretch it could be a demand zone, and that's true because this zone was actually broken. If we go in the past and a retest was made, then a huge buy happened. So it's a demand zone, and change of character shows is actually taking a buy, is buying, but buying now, looking at it, there must be high probability that the market will return back to this demand zone, to actually pick some orders, because a lot of people are either entering inside this area. Some are buying here, some are selling, some are buying, some are selling, some are buying, some bought somewhere here. When the time comes, they might drop the price back to the demand zone to trigger the stop losses of those retail traders and big boys that have placed their limit buy orders inside this zone. We have their order picked up, and they will make huge profits. And they are the whales that are going to swallow the small fishes. Okay, but that is why this is not the content. Is not part of the this topic, but I'm just explaining why it is a buy, as the other Euro basket in the Deriv.com is also buying. Okay, so let's continue. So you have seen it with your eye that this is real. The Euro basket have the same characteristics. You see that base? Are you seeing what I'm saying? This was that demand zone, and there also a base. This is demand zone with some base inside it. This is an H1 time frame. If you extend it, you notice that there was a break of structure there in the past, and the retest was made. So why should you just be staying idle without trading on Sunday and Saturday? See a retest and a pullback, a continuation here, a retest, a pullback here, and then impulse. So here another base is being created. Base is being created, like area of indecision and consolidations, and the market is also impulsing. Okay, so that's cool. So with this, Euro basket is the same thing as Euro USD. GBP basket is the same thing as GBP USD. AUD basket is the same thing as AUD USD. USD basket maybe is the same thing as dollar index asset. Okay, so now another forex asset with this company is this asset. We have Euro USD DFS10 index. Let's check it. You see that Euro USD is bullish, and this is also bullish. Yesterday Euro USD went bearish, and this is also bearish. Are you getting it? Now let's check GBP USD 10 index. GBP USD telling us yesterday GBP went bearish. It sold massively from here all the way down, the same way it did in the Forex market. If you are following, you can go and check. And today is having some sign of bullish behavior by these candles creating with this big momentum bullish candle. You can know that there is a change in character when this higher low was taken out. We're expecting a retest and a good entry, like after some stop loss hunt, we can make decision here of buying. Okay, we can make decision of buying because there is a change of character here. This low was broken, a retest was made, and the market keep pushing. But we need this kind of retest whereby there will be a bearish retest, not just a bullish candle forming wicks near the break of structure. No, we need this type of retest that put price like this. Okay, cash, the one that have the word boom, the one that have the one that have the word 1S, the one that have the word jump, the one that have the word step. They are synthetic assets owned by Deriv.com. It also include range, those ones that have the word range. So if you want to learn how to trade these ones, or if you don't have idea of how to trade these assets but you really want to learn how to trade them, join my Telegram channel, DM, so that you start enrolling. I have courses. All you have to do is to select one of the course and focus. All you need is focus. And then if you already have the idea of trading but you need signal, maybe Forex or synthetic, then you have to DM at Daniel to subscribe to our VIP signal service. So that is it.
If you're prepared to break